Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is kind of a spontaneous or random video because I didn't have anything planned and I was just doing some missions and stuff, and I was like, why don't I just record myself doing these missions and maybe have a little chat with you. So yeah, I've been kind of sick lately, hence why I haven't published as much as I wished, but yeah, uploads are gonna catch up, I guess. So maybe I'm just gonna skip this one for you guys because it's kind of a boring one. We're gonna try and find some new cars because there was an update, so there are, I think, like 5 new cars, or maybe 4 or 5, I don't really know. So yeah, we're gonna try and find them and do some deliveries, so hope you enjoy. Okay, there we go. It's delivered. So yeah, that was kind of an easy one, boring. Let's try and find something a bit more interesting. Oh, okay. Okay, that's kind of an interesting one. It's dark, so yeah. But I'm gonna try and make it as interesting as possible. So yeah, as you may have noticed, I like driving manual cars a lot in BeamNG. That's just because I feel more engaged with the game. So I tend to like driving first person when I have a manual car, just because I feel more engaged and more connected to the game. I don't hate automatic cars, it's the same in real life. I really like manual cars. Automatics are fine, it's just not my thing, you know, so that's the reason why. And also, this car is Sunburst, and it's a mod actually. I do really like the fact that you can make mods spawn into the missions. Normal Sunburst is a coupe, and so yeah, that's a nice thing. And also, I really do like this scenario with the sun setting and everything. I think the sun is setting, I don't think it's rising. I didn't really read the time. This one's done as well. And I've noticed, I think like these type of missions are quite fun. Oh, I just nearly stalled. That would have been quite embarrassing. As I was saying, I've noticed that these missions are quite fast, quite quick to do, and as you can see, I've done 29 in a row, so these are not difficult at all. Like, it has happened sometimes when I like find some awkward cars, to say the least, and yeah, that's not really interesting or maybe fun, but yeah, I still roll with it. This one's quite a hot one. I like the sound of the Vivace FCV quite a lot, as you can hear. It's a great sound, come on. And this one's sequential. I like sequential gearboxes. It's like midway between manual and an automatic, but they're a lot quicker, so this is a nice thing. And also, through the hood cam, I should have quite a lot of sound, which is quite nice. Get out of my way. Yeah, it does sound very nice, come on. I think it's like a 4-cylinder or something. We're gonna obey traffic rules. Oh, this one's a nice car. It's a race spec, and yeah, I like it. Great dynamics and everything. It's a front wheel drive, so it may not be the most fun, but still, it's fun. I also like rev matching, like downshift rev match, even though I have a sequential gearbox. So what does it want me to do here? I guess something like this. Oh. Yeah, the brakes kind of squeal. I don't know. Oh, probably because they're like carbon ceramics. And race brakes tend to squeak. Oh, well, with a 30, I want to find some new cars though. Just for the content. K series. And also an automatic. I'm gonna skip this one for you guys. Okay, and we should be done for this one. Yes. Okay, we're gonna change up the map just cause, I don't know, maybe it's gonna reset our luck. But yeah, let's try. Oh my god, yes, we finally found one. It's not gonna be a long one, but yeah. This is one of the new vehicles. I don't really know what it's called, but we're gonna test drive it. So already I can tell. Ooh. Ooh. And it sounds mad. Let's see the interior. Okay, so it says manual. Like the manual setting of an automatic transmission. But it actually doesn't let me change even though I switch to realistic mode. Oh shit. So yeah, I don't know what that's all about. I do really like the sound of the engine. And I don't really know what the gearbox is doing, because it was in third and then it like downshifted to first. It was kind of strange. Oh my god, the body roll. Hey, get out of my way. Okay, it's not that easy to control, but yeah. It's rear-wheel drive, and the suspension is quite strange, you know, it's very, very soft. Yeah, not that easy to control. Yeah, the sound is amazing. Oh, and it's actually quite quick. I'm gonna try not to overshoot this, like, exit. Okay, it also doesn't have any ABS, and the wheels tend to lock up very easily. Like, okay. So you gotta watch out for that. But otherwise, it's, yeah, it's quite a nice car. Oh, damn. Oh, the burnout. Ooh. Watch out for those rocks. I think I fucked up the steering. Cause oh, let's hope that tire doesn't blow right now, cause that could be an issue. No, we made. Oh, no, we didn't. Yes, we made it. Great. So that was one of the new cars that came out with the latest update, and let's see if we can get another one. Nope. Well, I think I'm gonna end it here. It was just a chill video. just to talk a bit. I don't know if I'll make a video about the update, just because, I don't know, I don't really find it that interesting, but expect some mod videos quite soon. Yeah, that was it. I hope you enjoyed. I'm just gonna finish up this delivery right here. It's a very short one. Okay, well, that was it. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.